Oh, no, not again. Go, 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 go. Get over to the right. Oh, geez.
Gee, Dad, you're really bad at this.
I am not. It's just that I couldn't concentrate with that infernal racket. Lisa! 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 What did I tell you about playing that saxophone thing in the house?
I was just playing the blues, Dad.
Lisa, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. Go ahead. Play your blues if it'll make you happy.
No, that's okay, Dad. I'll just work on my fingering. Unless my fingers clacking on the keys is too loud for you.
Let's hear it. You just clack as loud as you want, Lisa.